Eugene Domingo, and her husband. Then, direct kailangan pa daw ko na i-mention yung husband niya.
Oo, ano pa? Anong surname? Danilo.
Very beautiful. Let's all welcome once again the very beautiful Miss Jenica Garcia.
Hi po.
Okay. And now,
Of course, we'd like to welcome Miss Eugene Domingo and her husband, Danilo Botoni. Yes, once again, let's welcome Miss Eugene Domingo and her husband, Mr. Danilo Botoni.
Ako. Salamat. Hello.
Please do pose and tag Cecil Ruiz at the idea of your shopping. Let's spread the word because Cecil is officially showing this March 4. Once again, let's welcome the beautiful Miss Eugene Domingo and her husband, Mr. Danilo Botoni. Wow, a match made in heaven. Wow.
A match made in heaven.
wow.
Thank you po.
Another moment.
And of course, this film is starring the legendary, the gold standard of Philippine cinema. This is her comeback film. So please do get ready as she enters this red carpet, as she slays the red carpet. But before that, let me remind you that this film is truly a masterpiece because it is an official selection to the 29th Talent Black Nights Film Festival and the 46th Festival International de Cinema de Porto, or Fantascorto. This is a masterpiece made by Direk June Lopez Lano. The gorgeous, the lady in red, Miss Hilda Coronel. And of course, with Miss Hilda is the director of this masterpiece, Direk June Lopez Lano. This film is the comeback film of the legendary
Yeah, man.
and gold standard of Philippine cinema, Miss Hilda Coronel. So please do support and spread the word.
Ma'am, ang mensahe ng season.
And of course, this masterpiece is directed by June Robles Lana, and it is an official selection to the 29th Talent Black Nights Film Festival and the 46th Festival.
Mga picture ng mini.
Kuya Jun, Kuya
Panel, syempre. Marites University, Tony Talks, KC After Hours, Rated Corina, ang walang kwentang podcast, TikTok with Aster Amoyo.
Families to go to the cinema. Mas mura na ngayon ang ticket price.
Yes, mas muna na. And Sir Jim Baltazar, who's also making his way down. There you go. D. Sir Jim Baltazar. Malapit na.
Talaga ba?
Sasalubong. Ayun, Attorney John.
Attorney.
Sorry. Attorney John Pam.
And if you enjoyed the film, please share it away on social media and invite everyone to support the movie. Kung hindi yun man bet, please be kind. Yun lang po. Salamat!
And Sir Jim Baltazar of CMB Film.
Thank you, everyone.
Sean Mark Gomez, Timothy Castillo, Jess Evertone, Kuya Manzano, Isabel Ramers, Janina Mendoza, Joribel Agoto, Angeli Sanoy, Barbara Mikel, Kobe Brown, Attorney Nico Antonio, Tanya Gomez, Jenica and okay, before I welcome the main leads, let's all give a round of applause for our first batch of our cast. Are you all excited to watch the film? Yes! Because it's a beautiful film. Very timely for International Women's Month this March. And of course, speaking of women, we're about to welcome the all-women main leads. Starting off with Miss Jenica Garcia. And of course, Miss Eugene Domingo. And Sisa herself, the gold standard, the legendary Miss Hilda Coronel. And of course, Derek June Robles Lana. We'll have a quick photo op before we invite Derek June and also our three main leads to share their short messages. Please do tag at CISA Movie and at Idea First Company on all your social media accounts so we can spread the word. Once again, CISA is showing. Alright, so we'd like to invite, of course, starting off with Direk June to give his message and then we'll ask the main leads to do as well.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo dito. Sana po kapag nagustuhan, sabi nga ni Atty. Kapag nagustuhan po ninyo, ipamalitan ninyo. Kung hindi, wag na lang po kayo magsalita. I wanna say hi to my two kids. Rocky, Bibo, hello! I was so happy nung naging PG yung MTRCB rating namin kasi ginawa rin talaga namin to para sa mga bata, para sa mga estudyante, para sa mga bagay na dapat pa natin pinag-uusapan hanggang ngayon. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Direk June. Now we'd like to ask Miss Jenica for a short message and also afterwards Miss Eugene and Miss Hilda.
Hello po, ako po si Jenica. Kamusta po kayo? Salamat po.
Thank you. Yes, maraming salamat po. Baby HK, maraming salamat. Isang malaking karangalan ng makasama ka. Mahal kita. At sana, alam nyo, in line of watching this movie and us all being here, sana isama natin sa dasal natin na sana tumigil na ang gera. Napaka-stupido nun.
Tama. Hindi lang tinatapon namin dito sa pelikulang papanoorin nyo ngayong gabi. Hindi lang po women empowerment, kundi itong mga gerang nangyayari sa buong mundo. Since Sammy Memorial up to now. So, sana po magustuhan niyo ang pelikula namin. And please nga, wala na pong bashing. Okay? Yan na lang magandang mga ano. At para mapanood niyo po lahat, binabaan na po namin ng presyo. So, please enjoy na lang po natin ang gabi. Thank you so much.
Alright, thank you so much. Don't worry, after the movie, you'll have a